Hi besties, I failed to upload my video. Today's Monday. This past weekend was my 5-year-old's birthday weekend, so we were doing a lot of things this weekend. I recorded it, I started editing, then I had to put the kiddos to bed and I fell asleep, so I did not get a chance to upload it, but it will be up later on. You guys will watch this. It will be uploaded on a Monday instead of a Sunday, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, following me. I love those things. Those things really help my channel get pushed out there. And stay tuned for a Sales Stats Sunday from March 23rd to the 29th. All right, watch the next clip. Hi besties, welcome to another video. I think my camera is dirty. I gotta clean it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of light. Hi besties. I don't know how this video is gonna be. I turn on some type of flash. We'll see how it comes out. Welcome to another Sales Stat Sunday. This Sunday is from the 23rd to the 29th of March. This is an exciting end of the month for me. This is when I get my subscription box orders as well as some regular orders, hint, some eBay orders, hint, and also in-person order, hint. Okay, so in this week we got some online orders. As you guys know, we got 7 online orders. 7. We're so excited. I don't know what's going on, but we are loving it. I did update my website. I did do some SEO, conversational wise, Google wise stuff. Oh, and I don't know if I told you guys, I went and I looked up some of my competitors, like crackling wig competitors, and I was one of my own basic competitors, and that was exciting to see that my company was searched up on Google. Because usually when you search up your own, you don't really see your own business, right? Because your IP address will kind of like not view your own company or whatever. But mine came up, which was exciting. And yeah, so we got those orders, so exciting. We also got 1 in-person order, which is also exciting. I love that. I love to see my in-person customers reach out and want to purchase something. I also got I'm in a parking lot, guys. I'm sorry. I also got a eBay order. Remember we had a discussion about the camera? Well, the wired cameras got sold so much that this week that I'm recording it, the person wanted 4 more cameras, but I don't have 4 more cameras, so that's good. I still have another brand that's out there. I have 2 of those, so hopefully those will get sold soon. Yeah, so I'm loving that. I'm loving that for me. So this past week was good. I still didn't do my fair orders, guys. I still didn't do my fair orders. I not so good with that. I need to do so much better with guys. So I need to work on my fair. I need to get on my fair platform. I also need to reach out to my other wholesale clients and see if they need anything else in their stores. I have 2 stores I'm thinking of hitting up. One I want to make a special candle for, and the other one I need to just email the boutique owner. It's just a little bit of that going on for me. And I also want to put at least 6 of my candles on fair. my kids are off for spring break, and mainly I will be able to do more computer-wise work more than on hands-on making of products. I think I can handle more of that work behind the scenes work, the computer work, emailing, setting up. I have somebody working on my email welcome links and all of that, so I have more flows come in so I can grab more. My emails are picking up. The percentage of openings have gone up, and I've gained, I want to say, either 10 or 15 more emails. Like, getting somebody's email is not easy as some people might think. They have to trust you. Like, their email is gold. There's a lot of people using emails to do some crazy stuff. So for someone to actually give you their email, they have to trust you. And trust, especially for me, they have to trust that my business is a legit business, and which it is, but they don't know that. So you have to do a lot more to gain their trust to get their email. And then I'm not the one to like want to email people like 3 times a week or 5 times a week. I don't want to lose people. I've lost people. I haven't lost them to the fact where they haven't come back to purchase, but I've lost them to the fact where they don't want to be bothered. Girl, we love your stuff. Stop emailing us. We remember you. Stop bothering us. That kind of thing. Because I have customers that, yeah, they started out emailing. But honestly, I feel like my customers know my value. They know my worth. Anytime I have a sale, I get 0 purchasing on my website. The only time, and I gotta like do this more, the only time I get a lot more sale value is if I have like a product that's going out of stock and I'm no longer going to be selling that, or I am doing like a free shipping. So maybe I need to promote more free shipping, because my customers, they don't want me to devalue. I see that a lot. They don't want me to devalue my product, but they'll appreciate a free ship. And they'll also gravitate, if it's their favorite scent or product, they'll gravitate to purchasing that product if it's going out of stock. You know, so I gotta do more going out of stock items. I have to do more free shipping and maybe lower the value of shipping, even though right now I think, don't quote me because I'm not looking at my website right now, I think my order value per customer right now, it's like 70. It used to be higher, but now it's like at 70. And what I see that my customers are doing, they're also grabbing some sale items in their cart and also buying my higher purchase items. So they're mixing and matching their items. Usually that wasn't the case, but I think because they know like some of these things are not going to be here anymore, so they're like, okay, let me grab it. So that's what that is. And in regards to military, guys, hubby did send me a letter. So we're back to basics. We're back to basics. We are writing letters, and that's where I am right now. Across the way over there is the post office. So I also pen, paper, wrote a letter. And he has requested my lip balm and my healing salve. So I have to label them, and I gotta make sure no hemp is in them. I already did the lip balm, I already made them, but I have to label them, and there's no hemp in it. So that's the only major request. And some soap, like natural soap, can't be scented. And graduation, is in May, so I'm excited for that. I'm proud of him. He's the head of his platoon. Yeah, so he's brand new. He's the head of his platoon. He's gonna be carrying the flag, all of that. Yeah, so I'm proud of him. So I have to fly to Missouri, so I have to take off of work. I'm gonna take a week off of work. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Maybe I just do the Monday, and then I don't know. I gotta go though. I gotta go with the kiddos, so I don't know how I'm gonna manage. I have to pack small, and yeah, it's gonna be rough. I just have to pack small. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be rough, but I just have to pack accordingly, and I have to figure out. The reason why I said rough is because they're gonna need car seats, and to carry the car seats and the booster seats, that's where holding on to 2 little ones and having the luggage is gonna be hard. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to assign them something. Somebody's gonna pull a luggage or something. I'll figure it out. But I think I'm gonna do the backpack, and I think I might just check in my luggage, because to pull my luggage and the car seats and all of that is just gonna be a struggle by myself in a big airport. My kids like to run. They don't stay still. They like to run. They're runners. So I can't run with them. No, I'm not doing it. Not doing it. I might even edit this part out because it's just too much drama. It's just too much drama. But yeah, I'm excited to see him in May. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog all that. I don't know. It's the military. It might be private. I don't know. But I also have an event the 12th and the 13th, which is free, and it's close to me. It's like maybe 15-20 minutes away, so that, and it's indoor. It's free, it's indoor, it's 2 days. I'm excited. I jumped on it. I'm not even making a product for this event. I am just going with what I got and bringing what I got and get rid of what I got. That's how I'm viewing it, guys. I'm just bringing. I have a lot of stuff. I'll mix and match it. I'm not making nothing, nada. I'm not doing it. I got a lot of products. I can just clean my shelf off and bring it there. So wish me luck. If I make $500, I'll be happy for the 2 days, because it's a free event and it's inside, and all I gotta do is bring my table. I don't need a chair. Yeah, so wish me luck, guys. All I have to do is bring my table, my products, and my setup, and my little banner that I'm bringing, and then that's it. I'm not bringing anything else. And if I make $500, I'll be happy for the 2 days. Oh, I'll be so happy. Even if I make $500, your girl needs every little bit count. I need it. So that's where I stand with that. And with that in mind, I am gonna leave the vlog off here. So bye-bye, besties. Have a good day or night, whenever, wherever you're watching this. Bye-bye, besties. Oh, Cash said to give you guys hugs, so I guess mommy gives the best hugs. Bye-bye, besties.